maybe you are a bad person. And that is something na gusto kong pag-usapan, no, for a long, long time. And na-realize ko lang rin siya recently, no. Since I've been reflecting with myself, I've been reflecting with my own life, and I've been reflecting sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa akin from day-to-day basis, no. And the thing is, na-realize ko siya when I thought I was a good person. But in reality, I'm not. But I will always try to be a good person, no? And naniniwala kasi ako sa sa saying na no one is ever really a good person. All humans are bad. They are just trying to be good, or they're just reaching the absolute good of a man. And sometimes kailangan natin tanungin yung sarili natin. Are we really a good person? Or are we just a good person to ourselves? And that's something deep to talk about, no? When we say na are we a good person, or are we just a good person para sa sarili natin, no? Speaking for myself, no, I am not really a good person. I am, I always sin. I always look at people differently, and sometimes I don't treat myself fair. I don't treat myself good enough, no. May mga times na sa tingin ko masaya ako sa sarili ko, pero may mga times rin na masama ako para sa sarili ko. And as much as possible, no, I am trying my best to lean on one side that is good para sa akin. I am trying to grow. I am trying to be a good person for myself and for others. And just keeping it positive. Pero when you get too real about yourself, no, may mga times talaga na mahanap mo yung sarili mo na humuhusga ka ng ibang tao. May mga times na mapapansin mo yung sarili mo na you are taking advantage of other people. May mga times na mahanap mo yung sarili mo na nagiging narcissistic ka. May mga times na mahanap mo yung sarili mo na tinatapakan mo yung ibang tao for your own gain. And that is something real about ourselves, no? Kadalasan, yun yung nangyayari sa atin. As much as possible, we try to avoid those things. Pero at the same time, it just feels good. Kasi it gives us pleasure to, to feel this kind of power na nakukuha natin by doing those things, no? Apaka-subconscious nga nung mga ginagawa natin eh. But we don't really realize na that is something that is negative, and that is something na makakasira sa pagkatao natin. Ako, when I was 19 to 20 years old, I have been such a narcissist, no? I always thought that being a narcissist is the only way to be truly happy, or to be truly, accepting yourself for who you are. Pero in reality, it destroyed my soul. It destroyed my character. It destroyed everything about me. Kasi nung 19 ako, I've always hated the way I look. I've always hated myself. I've always hated everything about me. And I hate that the world, the world treated me unfairly. And I think na nung time na yon, I have to make something, work. I have to make something different. And that is when I pursued being a narcissist, no? That's when I picked up my first book. My first ever book was 48 Laws of Power. And basically that book teaches you the 48 laws kung paano ka magiging makapangyarihan sa society. And no, it taught me a lot actually. No, it taught me how to be unfair. It taught me how to be evil. It taught me everything about evilness. No, pero it did change me a lot. In some ways na positive naman. No, it changed the way how I looked at myself. And binago ko yung appearance ko, binago ko yung sarili ko, binago ko yung pagsasalita ko, and may mga bagay talaga na may maganda ring naidulot yung face ko na yun. Pero nag-outweigh pa rin talaga yung pagiging masama, yung mga bagay na nakasira sa character ko, no. And at the time, no, I've always looked at people na parang mas mataas ako kaysa sa kanila. Since I know a lot, I know a lot of everything. Pero at the same time, no, I felt like I was an outcast. I felt alienated. I felt, I never felt like a human being at that time. No, I've always looked at myself in a different way. So, it really destroyed me. It really made me feel like I was a loser. No. Na parang even though I got this power, even though things were going in my way, even though na masaya ako para sa sarili ko lang, still didn't meant anything para sa akin, to be honest. Kasi, in reality, it destroyed me. I didn't feel any real connection with, people. I've always felt that I was a sociopath. No, I was a psychopath. And, it really destroyed my brain, bro. Yung progress kasi na yun, no, in the process of being with that type of guy, no, I got so depressed, no, I got so lost, and I even hated myself even more. Pero when God reached my soul, He turned my life around, and that made me the person that who I am now. It was a hard experience para sa akin. Pero yun, ang main point ko is, we often see ourselves as a good person, but not really for others. We are a good person to ourselves because everything that we do that is beneficial for us, despite the harm that it brings to other people, it is good para sa atin. And yun yung mahirap na ma-realize. Just this thing, sa tingin natin na mabuting tao tayo, pero in reality, we're not. Bro, like, no one is ever really a good person. We're just trying to be good. Kasi we humans naturally sin. We love to sin. We love to do sinful things because it brings us pleasure. It brings us pleasure, and we always think that pleasure is good. So we have to stay away from hedonistic things, and we have to create our own reality na mabuti tayong tao para sa ibang tao, and mabuti tayong tao para sa atin. So, yun lang naman. Kind of a personal type of video, and parang podcast siya. But, gusto ko na rin talagang itry to eh. Like, nandito ako sa condo, naka-chill lang, tapos nag-uusap-usap lang, no? Kunwari nasa podcast ako. So, anyway guys, God bless. Stay up. Peace.